Attention! This is an emergency alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. A dangerous individual is currently at large within the area. Description of the suspect. Male. Identified as Alex Gagnon. Approximately 15 years old. Black hoodie and black sweatpants. Long hair obscuring his features. Carrying a 7.8-inch knife. The suspect is known to approach individuals and ask, "Do you want to be my friend?" Residents are advised to exercise extreme caution and remain indoors until further notice. If you encounter the suspect, do not engage.
Seek shelter. Run.
In a secure location immediately. Contact local law enforcement by dialing 911 to report any sightings or suspicious activity. Provide authorities with any relevant information, such as the suspect's location and direction of travel. Lock all windows and hide. Preferred rooms are the basement or any other well-ventilated and windowless rooms. Barricade yourself using any furniture available. If you notice any strange noises outside, call emergency services immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates and instructions. This message will